So what you got here today, Wayne?
Well, what we have here is the seat off of my 72 Honda CB354. And it's in tough shape.
Is that 550cc four-cylinder?
Yep.
Oh, but that sounds cool.
It's a high rever, 10,000 RPM red line.
Got a little problem right there, though. All right, I guess we can probably just take the... Good thing about making this video is I don't have to work, because you're going to do everything.
Oh, it's got a pin on it.
Or if anything, I guess, I've got vinyl, chrome vinyl we can try to wrap it with and see how that works. I don't know. We'll figure it out once we get to that point. Okay, a little cotter key.
It's in a bad spot too.
Rotate it. I should have said, I think you can rotate it. Rotate it!
Rotate it! I will do it, I'll do it.
Interesting. You really did not want those coming out.
No. You lose your strap, man. You lose your
strap. Oh. Hey, dog. Hey, buddy. You got a sweater and a blanket on. Wow. So that buckle, do they have?
It's chrome-ish.
I think we might be able to nickel plate that.
You think so?
Yep. Yeah, I don't know. Looking at that, you can either. We might be able to get away with that down easily. That steel wool and polish that one. That might be the only issue. We could probably run it across the buffer and clean it up.
See what it looks like.
And then just keep putting WD or oil on it every once in a while so it doesn't rust again. Yeah, we'll see.
A few more pieces. I'm gonna get.
So it looks like these guys are a little clamped on.
Yeah.
And then
Very similar to
these guys got to be pulled back, I bet.
your seat was.
Yep. I bet this is bracketry. More bracketry. Yeah.
I'm gonna take these brackets off.
You're doing nothing by hand. Use the impact gun.
Makes a good video.
I'll be right back. Here, we'll do it like this. Work harder, not smarter. Wait, I said that backwards. And it looks like these little spring clippies just kind of pull back with a flat screwdriver, I'm guessing.
Yeah, and then this part looks like
Stapled.
I don't know. It looks kind of like what you had before on yours.
Oh, they just have like a little notched out triangle. Yeah, it was probably up with a screwdriver. Flat screwdriver.
You can do these guys in the little bead blaster. Pull out the. I guess they're not really just cleaned up because they're not rusty or anything.
Yeah, just throw them in the ultrasonicator and see how they turn out, I guess.
Do they?
I think I've got new
Are those rings?
grommets. Would that be?
Mm-hmm. Do these just pull straight out?
Pull hard, see what happens. No, don't. They're probably like a cone shape on the inside, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Once we get the thing off, they're probably
Oh.
push that cone from the other side, and they'll come through. Yeah. I'd wait until you get them out. Oh, that'd work. Oh, there you go. Yeah, exactly what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Are they glued into, or is that just foam on there?
That's just foam on there.
Okay.
Probably from the glue though.
Yeah, I would guess you can just take a flat and start here and just slowly pry that back. I'm assuming. Are they springy or are they malleable?
They feel pretty malleable though.
Yeah, just be a little bit.
Like that's probably far enough.
I think so.
Yeah, that's off far enough. There you go.
Cooking with fire now.
Yeah, move fast. There you go.
Hey, dog. You're worthless. Worthless.
should all be far enough
Yeah,
away.
I think we can just peel that thingy back over the, just like now.
Just like, you know. It's kind of coming up.
There we go. Let me hold it for you.
There you got it.
Lovely.
I think this was just what they said. You know, it's just a car door protector. Or at least that's what
I
everyone
think I've got.
recommends. That's what you use.
Mm-hmm. You got that done yet?
No. So you do it.
Yeah, I'll have to. Now these, I'll just take a flat screwdriver and pry those little triangles back, I guess. Yep, just like yeah. It'd be cool to get that tool, that die, and that could punch those triangles out. And,
Yeah, that would be cool.
the carpet strips work so nice. You can like micro fine tune.
Really?
I mean, since there's 8 billion little spikies.
Oh
you can-
yeah, you have so much more.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Might just
That
come
thing's a
off.
unit. So how's the rest of the bike in pretty good shape? You have to send me some pictures for the video.
Yeah, we'll send you some. You guys can take a look yourself.
Yeah.
It hasn't been run in 34 years.
Or, I mean, I was thinking we could put that carpet strip, and this is modifying it. We could use that carpet strip in here and actually fold the vinyl over and put it down on those carpet strips, and then you could just get that C channel. There's a chrome, like a C channel door ding trim at O'Reilly to go around. It looked close.
So
Depends on how original you want to be.
So what I saw online that a couple people did, just basically exactly what you said, only they didn't put any carpet thing down. They did that put the vinyl in there, C channel that pulled these across and held it down. I think we should try that first. Here.
Cool.
So this part though, you said these typically come off, huh?
I don't know. It might be glued on. We might not need to take it off. Depends on.
Yeah, I'd probably leave it alone rather than try to.
We can just use the spot sandblaster outside to do the underside. And I mean, there's plenty of metal here. I don't think you'll ever have to worry about that
No.
rusting through.
No, it'd just be nice to.
Yeah, we'll get the spot sandblaster and
Should I
it
take this
outside.
off? Or will that stay on? The sandblaster probably won't hurt that.
I think we can just mask around that with some tape. This is the Central Pneumatic. This is the good stuff.
There you go. Top shelf.
Yeah, I guess by the time we'll have to sandblast and paint this. It'll take a while for that to all set up, so I guess we can do whatever, whenever. Let's sandblast. Hey, if you like what you're seeing here, please subscribe to the channel and be sure to click the notification bell so you'll know when I post new videos. Or follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or my website, BigfootBikesandBrews.com for some exclusive sneak peeks of what I'm working on for future videos. I'm busy restoring a bunch of vintage bikes as well as working on some sweet custom builds that I want to share with you. I'm going to try to get a new video out the door early in the morning every week, so be sure to click that notification bell and have your phone ready in the morning so you'll have something to do while you poop. Hey cows. Go away. I know you want treats. We got nothing for you though. How about a dog? Oh yeah, that's working pretty good.
Working great.
Okay, fine. If you're gonna be that way, just don't tell Mom where you got them from, okay? Hey, buddy. Yeah. No, got everything off, and we can hand sand and Scotch-Brite the rest of it. Yeah. 320 should work.
Do you have some Scotch-Brite sitting over here too?
Yeah, somewhere. Yeah, I think for any degreasing, probably just heck with let's rub it with lacquer thinner.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, I'd say take the hand sander and
I'll hit it here in a second so it gets this big
some
mud off.
goo off there. Yeah, we could pressure wash it, but then the foam's gonna get all wet and moldy and crappy.
Oh no, I think this is gonna work out just fine.
Yeah. It's the bottom of a seat cover. It's fine. Yeah. Hey, that sandblaster did a pretty darn good job.
Yeah, it did.
I'll be darned.
Cleaned it right off.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll use this instead of lacquer thinner, a little less aggressive.
I should have brought some. I have just a. There was one day when at Walmart they had the wax and grease remover.
You just give her a good scrubbing with that, and as long as everything is etched up with the Scotch Brite and the sander.
Yep, I think it is.
I mean, unless you want to feather this with sand, with a regular sander a little bit, because you're gonna see that edge. But like I said, it's not.
I think we're pretty
Okay.
good looking.
Yeah, I am at least. Really good looking.
Damn pretty.
What we got here? Yep. Low gloss black. That's the stuff right there. Yeah, I like that Rustoleum low gloss. It's very factory looking color and sheen.
It's got good sheen, huh?
Like Charlie.
Sheen.
Just like Charlie.
Baby. That does. It's like all my paint.
Look at the dust in it in the driveway.
I'm in it.
It's got paint in the driveway. One bad thing about Rustoleum is it takes a long time to dry. But it's very good stuff though when it's finally set up. Let's see here. That one? That's too big. Yeah, bigger on there. Should be something.
5/16.
That close enough.
Probably would work.
5/16 should work. There you go.
What is it? 7mm?
That's good to go.
That one's gonna work. We're gonna have to buff it up. I'd like to try to hold it like that.
Yeah, I was going to put some taper on it first, so it doesn't get marred up.
So mar it so much, or even.
Top of the cabinet. Get a little bit of grip on it.
Well, if even you can spread it out, it might try to go by itself.
Any luck?
It moved a little, maybe.
You're worthless. You're worthless. Yeah. Nobody likes you.
There it goes. Now, the rubber.
Oh, there's a little melt strap in there. Isn't
Yeah, that's what I didn't want to cut that.
there? Okay, I see what you're talking about.
So now,
Can we take a vice grip, like fold this up
Yeah.
and squeeze that with a vice grip?
or even in your vise over there.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah, now it's working. Who said penetrating oil doesn't work? This is actually taking longer than. There.
Oh, that's good stuff. Yeah, one done. Let me take a look at that little metal strap in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Try not to.
Yeah, we'll de-rustify that guy. Good to go.
This guy probably could use some nickel plating.
Let's see. I can just get a
Washer.
new washer on this. I think we'll just run across the buffer wheel really quick. Brand new.
Looking good? I like that. Boy, that's great.
Yeah. All right, we'll try both methods here. We'll use steel wool on one and the polishing wheel on the other one. It is kind of funny though, you can take the nastiest looking chrome and as long as it's not rusty or pitted, just a little steel wool and it looks brand new again. Then keep it nice and new, just either wax it or use that Gibbs penetrating oil or a WD-40 or something on it. Keep it oiled up, should stay pretty rust free. If you keep after it, this isn't too bad. Let's take a look. A little pitting here and there, but when driving down the road at 40 mile an hour, it's gonna look beautiful. Highly acceptable. Hold the polish up to it when it's going a little bit. Yep. There you go, perfect. It's very light, don't give it a lot of pressure. You could in theory rub all the plating off. Where'd it go?
That's funny.
That's really good. do it again. Getting there? I don't think there's any plating left on that one. I think we might have to nickel plate this one.
It looks pretty thin.
Well, we're going to make a nickel plating video on one for one bolt.
We might need to do this one too. This is the one you were kind of concerned about.
Yeah, give it a little bit of a buff here. I think it'll be okay. Oh yeah. Unless you wanted, we could sand that. Alright, I hope you liked this episode of Bigfoot Bikes and Brews. Click on one of the videos here if you want to see some more. And please click on the Bigfoot button to subscribe to the channel and join in on the fun. See you next week.